So my name is Anna-Liisa Laine and I'm a professor of ecology at the University of Zurich. So to me the most exciting thing in plant sciences currently is the availability of tools that we have and how they enable and empower us to address very classic and big questions in biology. So specifically to me, I'm very interested in the interactions that plants engage in, and especially the very antagonistic ones. And of course, microbes are mostly the kind that we can't see with the eye, and so sequencing tools have just completely changed the game. We can start to really investigate these almost unseen communities and start understanding both the ecological and evolutionary aspects of those interactions. So my advice to early career researchers would be to, well, first of all, find something that you love. This is a profession that takes a lot out of you, but it can be so rewarding if you find the ecological niche where you're happy. And also I think there's a lot of autonomy in science. Usually when we come into work in the morning, we have a lot of autonomy in deciding how we're going to structure our day. And so I would say that use that freedom to make it work for you so that you achieve a work-life balance and work in a way that you find satisfactory. To me, the most exciting aspect of a meeting like the New Phytologist Next Generation meeting is the diversity of topics that we're covering, because I feel like the big issues in biology and in plant sciences in particular, you need to take a very diverse, multidisciplinary approach. And the fact that we have here people who take a look at things at the cellular level are very concerned about mechanistic aspects, as well as those who look far into the history of populations and think about phenotypes, population dynamics. I think bringing these together is really insightful, and you can learn so much. And of course, I love the fact that we have researchers representing different career stages. I feel like I learned so much from the younger generation. To me, the best thing about being the scientist is the ability to really follow your curiosity. That the fact that I'm still paid to read astonishes me, that I'm paid to learn all the time is just mind-blowing in some ways. I also really enjoy interacting with my team and with colleagues. It seems like the plant scientists are a fun group of people, and so it feels like a privilege that you get to interact with them on a daily basis. In my free time, I mostly spend time with my family. So I have an 8-year-old daughter and an 11-year-old son, and as a family we really enjoy the outdoors. So in the summer you can find us hiking, in the winter skiing most likely.